Hey guys, weekly watch list review here, and I'm just going to go through all of the stocks in my watch list and see how they're performing, whether some need to be deleted, if they're no good, or if some need to be actioned and bought into. So a down day in the market. I think the Dow or whatever had been going down, a couple hundred points today. So what's interesting is that in my watch list here, some stocks not actually being affected by the market, and that's what I like. I like the robust ones that don't blink when the market falters. And there's a few here that look great. Let's start with the ones that are not looking great. Big pullback, big explosion. We'll keep this in here. Um, it's a big uptrend. It may well just pull back and then start another leg. So I will keep watching this one. INMX. I'll just open them all up. Let's have a look. INMX. Yeah, a natural decline. Um, as soon as we see I've got buy the dip here, a little note here, buy the dip. Um, I think this looks great. I really, really like this. Where was it before? Maybe not actually. I didn't realize. I thought we were going to go way up into the tens and twenties. It's getting serious resistance up there, isn't it? 774, and it's pulling back again. So it's not really that exciting. Let's see what it does. It could be a buy the dip situation, or it could just be going heading back south to a dollar. So not that interesting. This one, I may remove that because it's not that great. Gap down, that's a bad sign. Let's face it, it's a bad sign. Gapping down, breaking through the 20s, don't like it at all. It may recover, we'll keep it in the list. SRVA, big drop down, huge rally. Wow, look at that. From where to where? I guess the buy signal is here. Way up to seven. Not bad, not bad at all. It's looking like it might be a gradual pullback. If if we get a good candle bouncing off that, which it kind of, I mean, it's extraordinary, isn't it? How it just, it's almost like it means something, isn't it? Right on, right on the 20-day. Um, Waiting for a pullback, I said here. Well, there's your pullback, mate. This could be an entry. Um, was trading our way up at who knows what, 17, 1650. This is great. This is just what I love. A massive downtrend, and all of a sudden, what's happening? A 1000% surprise. What news do we have? Trade Vision shows us what's going on. Key December 15th, a few days ago, raises target to $5.50. Maybe that was it. When was the pop? 7th of November. Beats estimates. Okay, so it was just an estimates pop. Interesting. This is really great, and it's had a pullback. This was a down day, ACRE. This was a down day in the market, but it's done nothing. It's been completely unaffected, and this trend line, the 20s, is still holding it beautifully. I think this is an entry. Anything above $5.43. Not financial advice, do your own research, but this looks really strong to me. I really like it, and this could be an entry for me. I'll have a nibble on it. 542. I might put an order in for 542, see if that gets filled. But it looks really good. ACRE, I will be across that. And what's pop? So we're looking at an average volume, the volume being up here. The average volume looks to be trading around 250, so quarter of a million. Earnings come and it's like 1.4 mil, so big pop. And then, the typical pop consolidation, you're wanting to buy in here. Pop consolidation, you want to buy in here. Pop, you've missed it. MRSI is trading at 62, which is historically very high for this one. Um, I really like it. You could wait for a big red candle, but I think I'm going to get into this one. It looks really good. Smart, smart, smart. Again, our cookie cutter approach, big swings on the 200, and it's had quite a rally up there. Big pop on the volume. I would wait for this to come back down a little bit. If it's ever going to come back down yet, it's right up at the highs in the 70s. I try not to buy in the 70s. A little bit of a pullback. It kind of jumped right up and then came back down. You'd want to see it on the 215, 218 mark, but that's definitely one worth watching. This is just like the craziest chart ever, which I should have bought weeks ago. Unfortunately, I didn't. And kind of consistent. You could buy the dips down here. This is really overbought by the dip. Yeah, it's way up at 70, it's up at 68. Not a great time to buy. Really nice chart though. Look at that beautiful trend going up. I think you could buy this at any point really, and you'd still make money. It's going to break through 389 any point. Also an excellent choice. And that's just oh, here we go, Ganks. Let's have a look at Ganks, if not just for the name. This is really interesting. That's a staggering rise, isn't it? What an explosive break from $2 to $4. Doubled your money in what? 6 weeks. Nice. And this is it's been higher than high. It's been all the way up at $16, and it's having a big trend reversal here. So I really like this one. This is nice. And also in the short term, it's come down a little bit, and buyers have pushed it up to 381. Sorry about the swear word there. Obviously trying to, that was the buy here, and you would have been in at whatever o'clock, 3 o'clock, yeah, up $1 already. So I like this one a lot. So 3 quality stocks, and let's jump into these, and we can report back in a week's time and see how we're getting on. Awesome. Thank you for your time. Great to see you. Peace and love as always. Cheers.